Hey guys, it's Scarlett. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get everyday makeup tutorial inspired by Nijigasumi 16. Here's your look. So let's get started. First, we're going to be taking a white collection shade stick in the inner corner and a brow bone. Then I'm taking a dusty pink shade stick to the crease. We're going to be taking a jumbo eye pencil in beige to blend out the edges. Then we're going to be taking a cocoa shade stick and then we're going to apply Kat Von D Calm Silk eyeshadow in the lid. We're going to be taking a just peachy eye pencil in the inner half. We're going to be taking a dark brown kohl liner and then ruby red kohl liner. To blend out these edges, taking a white kohl liner in the inner corners to highlight them and illuminate it. We're going to be taking a same just peachy and we're going to apply mascara lengthening, add a lash in a white collection, and then apply my mascara. Add some false lashes. And the lower lashes as well because of the thick coats. For the face, we're gonna take Blush Bum Rose to contour and the blush Soleil Dior. Warm Apricot blush to feel natural, glowing skin, and a fusion coral. We're going to highlight with light yellow blush, to get really illuminated. We're going to apply seashell shade stick, inner corners, brow bone, highlight cheekbones, nose, and those cupid bones. For lips, we're going to be taking lip liner pink. She has a very nude lips and a lipstick cream pink. Just peachy lipstick so it can look natural, and the lip gloss. For the hair, we're going to apply nail polish, and feet. And here's the complete look. Here's the inspired look, the accessories, nails and makeup and hair. Here's this look. That's it for everyday makeup.